Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to create your own bio-link website using Canva. Subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and tricks. Go to Canva and search for bio-link website. I'm using the Canva free version and you'll be able to see the free templates. If you are using the pro version, you'll be able to see more templates for you. Pick a template that you like. I'm going to pick this one and I will take you through how I create my own bio-link website. I'm now going to edit the template to suit me, and I will start by changing the name to my own name. I'll then add my own picture. I had already uploaded a picture on Canva and I'm just going to drag it to the template. Then I will change the colors and I will add my own sites. You can do this to your own template to add colors that suit your own aesthetic. I chose green and white because the color that was there I was not feeling it. So I'm just going to change that, and also going to add my own sites. To the sites that I added my YouTube channel, I added support me, I added my own designs, TikTok, blog, and work with me. The next step is to add clickable links on each title, and to do this, highlight a title, click on the three dots, and you'll see the option to add link. I had already prepared all my links on a sticky note, which I'm just going to copy and paste to Canva. This makes it easier for all the links instead of having to move back and forth from one site to another. I'm going to do this to all the titles. So the support me is a link to buy me a coffee. You can also support this channel by clicking on the support me in the description box below. I then added social media icons to my template, and to each icon, I'm going to add a clickable link that leads to my social media account. To add clickable links to your social media account, highlight the particular icon, and at the top of the template, you'll see something that looks like a paperclip. This is where you paste your link. Do this to all the social media accounts, and after pasting, remember to click apply. If you do not click apply, the link will not work. The link will not appear. If you have watched this far, it's only fair that you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and tricks. Also, do give this video a thumbs up. On this video, I tried to be as slow as possible. I've seen people complaining that I am too fast with my tutorials. I hope this tutorial is not too fast and you're learning something from it. I'm now going to change the name of the template to my own name. Although this will not get rid of the canva.com, but it will at least appear as your own domain. I am using the free version. I assume with the pro version, you can get rid of the Canva watermark. The next thing I did is to shorten my link. The link that Canva gives you is so long. So what I did, I just went to Google and searched for shorten URL, and I ended up on bit.ly.com. I pasted the link from Canva and it was shortened, and this is what it looks like. This short link is what I'm going to add to my TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter bio. Of course, I'm going to first paste it on the sticky note so that it will be easier to transfer to all my social media accounts. Before adding the short link to my Instagram bio, I'm going to test if it actually works. So I just pasted the URL on Google and it led me to my own website. The next thing I did is I clicked on each title of the template to see if it works. I also clicked on the social media icons, and as you can see, it led me to Instagram, to my TikTok, and I also tried the Pinterest one. It actually works. So now that it actually works, I'm going to add it to my Instagram bio. To add it on the Instagram bio, go to your Instagram account and click on Edit Profile. You'll see the option of website. This is where you'll paste the short URL and it will appear on your Instagram bio. Remember to click on Save at the top of the screen after pasting the URL. Also confirm if the website link works. I'm going to test mine, and it actually leads to my own website that I've just created on Canva. Then I'm going to click on each title, and this is what happens. It leads to my YouTube channel. It also leads to support me, which, by the way, you can support this channel. You can also support me by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, or you can buy my designs on Redbubble. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one.